Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us. Right now it is trading at 1.3593. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then I clearly mentioned that the picture of GBP USD is not clear. And honestly speaking, okay, the picture is still not clear. I'll try to keep the video short because no need to talk rubbish here. See, trading at 1.3593. It is testing the support again. We can see price being rejected from below, so buyers are present. Market is trying to take support here. It was previously the resistance, so there is a possibility of acting as new support, because support becomes resistance in the market and resistances become support in the market. But when it is going up, it is also facing selling pressure from above. And most importantly, you can see whenever market is going up, it is unable to cross the previous highs. It is unable to cross the previous high. Market is constantly forming lower highs here. Yes, market is constantly forming lower highs, and lower highs is a sign of rise in selling pressure, the increase in number of sellers, and as a result, taking a buy position in this market is risky. If you are a beginner, new trader, if your account balance is low, not in a position to take any huge risk right now, then GBP USD is not a pair for you. If you want to take some risk, then yes, you can take a buy position right now, but be careful. After 30 pips, 40 pips, you may see some selling pressure again, and you need to exit there by at this around this level. And again, if you want to take a sell position, yes, if you see price rejection from in this level around 1.3650, you can take a sell position again, and you need to exit by 1.3600. This is the range for GBP USD right now. Again, I'm saying, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for quite some time, then you can apply the strategy. Otherwise, if you're beginner, new trader, this chart is not for you. My dear friend, this is your hard-earned money. So respect your hard-earned money and do not trade on a chart that you don't understand. Because after all, as I say, be a trader, not a gambler. Trader does not trade on any chart. Trader only trades when he thinks the opportunity is right, the time is right. So, my dear friends, please keep in mind that this chart is not simple right now, complicated chart. And if I take you to the chart of DXY US dollar, then we can see DXY has surprisingly taken support at 95.50 level, and this level is still acting as a support for the market. So if DXY bounces from this present level, because yes, DXY is trying to take support here. So if DXY bounces from this present level, then we may see some selling or correction on the chart of GBP USD, and GBP USD will no longer be respecting the support and will be going down. I think we have a good support at 1.3530. Around this level, we have a good support, not only because of the presence of these buyers or the horizontal support, we also have the additional confirmation of Fibonacci retracement level. So combining these two factors, 1.3530 is a much more reliable level to take a buy call instead of trading in this level. Okay. The rest of the decision is yours. If you want to trade, you can trade. If you want to avoid, you can avoid. Today is Friday. Usually we see market getting dull by the evening hours, so be careful. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow with the detailed analysis for the next week.